Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Pompano. This is Jose Rementeria, just about to walk you through this 2019 SeaRay SPX Outboard. So what we're gonna have on here is the new Mercury powered white engine, 200 horsepower outboard. It's gonna get this boat going at a nice clip, great for towing and skiing. As you can see, she's a blue colored hull. Real great sweeping lines on her. She's a beautiful traditional SeaRay. Walking up in the boat, you're gonna see this great aft sun pad here. A little flip up for a backrest. Tremendous amount of storage. This is where the old inboard engines used to be. So you have great storage in there. Ample cockpit for you and your guests. We have nice L-shaped seating here in the rear quarter on the starboard side. Nice little seat there, as well as two great flip up thigh rise bolster helm seats. Beautiful boat. Walking forward, nice clean dash. You got your Simrad unit inside of there. Stereo. The boat is also equipped with a pump out head, as you can see. Really nice. As well as a nice ample bow. Great speakers, looks beautiful. I mean, look at the stitching. Great quality boat. Come on down and see Jose Rementeria here at MarineMax Pompano. My number is 954-732-1538. We'd love to get you down here and show you through some SeaRays and Boston whalers. Thanks again for joining me today. Have a great day.